If you have a tooth there's more filling than tooth, the chances of it chipping, cracking, or breaking tooth go up exponentially. So when that happens, we replace what's there with a crown or a cap. It's a two-step procedure where we trim the tooth down, take a mold, and then you come back 2 weeks later and we glue in the permanent one. The new ones are just gorgeous, and they strengthen the tooth and make it a lot more likely that tooth will last you many, many more years. A crown is the best solution. Unfortunately, everybody is different with the amount of stress they put on their tooth and how much tooth was left to start with, but most crowns last in the 10 to 15 year range, with some going many, many more years than that. Most of the older crowns we did had a metal backing to them for strength. They've made the new porcelain so that you don't need that anymore. So the new crowns, there's no metal to them, so there's no grayish cast, and the metal line you sometimes see at the gum line is gone. So they improve the strength, they improve the aesthetics, and they're much easier to maintain and keep clean because they're much smoother and don't hold the food nearly as much. A bridge can replace the space between, if a tooth is lost, and we put a cap or a crown on each adjacent tooth, and then one piece is cemented in, and that becomes your tooth. They are very aesthetic, have good longevity. However, if there is enough bone, an implant is always a better choice. And if you come in, we can discuss the options, what will be best, and how much everything would cost, and you can make your decision from there. If you had a space and you needed a bridge, if the teeth on either side of the space were compromised, if they had a lot of fillings in them, then a bridge would be a very good call, because they would need the support long term anyways. The teeth on either side don't have any fillings, and you'd have to cut down a lot of good tooth to put the crown on a tooth, then the implant would be the better solution for you. But once again, there's a whole lot of other factors that work into it. But once again, come in, we can talk about it, and I can tell you your best options, and once again, you can choose what would be best for you.